Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light back to 100% on your Jeep Wrangler. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description box below, I'm going to leave a link to my website where you can get some great deals on some tools. Also, if you're working on the vehicle and you need some help, there's a form there to fill out. Fill that form out, send it to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hey, in the comments below, let me know what kind of vehicles you guys are working on and what kind of videos you guys like. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the key to the on position. Then you're going to take the gas pedal and you're going to depress it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to turn the key off and you're going to cut the key on again. And when you do that, that resets your oil life back to 100%.